Okay, it's 1:45, 1:46, something like that. And I rounded the corner, and this is what I see. I see the monument number 78. That's the northern terminus of the trail, of the Pacific Crest Trail. Come on down. I can't help it. I told myself I wouldn't do this. Hearts Pass, I stayed at Hearts Pass a couple nights ago. Yeah, and then I stayed at Woody Pass last night. 33 miles. 33 miles in 2 days. There's nobody here to take my picture, but there it is. This is the actual monument right here. Northern terminus. I made it. Okay, I'll take some still shots. There's one more sign over here. Welcome to Canada. I got 8 miles. 8 miles to hike up to get up to that. Okay, this is going long enough. So it took 40 days as I originally planned. Even though I fell behind, I was able to make it up. I'll take a selfie. So there's nobody here to help me with the pictures. Okay. And again, today is September 5th, 2016. And I started on July 28th. 40 days.